Hey guys, it's Emerson here, Four Seasons RV. I thought I'd give you guys a quick tour of this Grand Design Transcend XPLOR 22RBX, a great beginner starter's coach. Let's take a quick look. Alright, so like I said, this is a 22RBX, so this would be around 25 feet in overall length. So it's a great starting camper if you don't want to get something too small, but you also don't want to get something too long to where you can't handle it. Alright, starting here on the kitchen, a great size kitchen. Have room to put a TV if you would like. Great storage here. You have a great deep farm style sink here. You have your faucet that goes around. You have a great size microwave here. A 3-burner stove. More storage. Great size kitchen for a little weekend away. Moving on, we have some more, a coat hook, towel hook, anything hook. Here are your controls. You're equipped with JBL speakers. Here's your control panel. All buttons. Don't have to worry about any technology with this guy. Next, we have your bathroom. Great size little mirror here. And then we have more storage behind it. Look at all that storage. Little outlet for your hair tools. Little sink. More storage here. You have a toilet with a lot of room to sit on it and you don't feel overwhelmed. You have your shower head right there. Great size little square shower. Plus you have spots to put all your shampoo and conditioner. You have your towel storage very deep. You can stick almost my whole arm in there. Great size bathroom for this, a rear bathroom, making it very, very spacious. Plus you have your barn door that shuts. Moving on to your little living room spot. As you can see, you have some cup holder room, but it can also go up. And you have a great little lounge sofa here. You have your cup holders, plus electronically recline, and a USB for charging your phone or anything like that. Here is your refrigerator. Got it with the freezer, as well as a great size refrigerator here. Lots of room. Deep enough to where you can fit stuff and having spots in the door as well. Moving on to what would be your master suite. You have some storage there. You have a queen size bed here. Let's take a look at some of the storage. You got some racks here to put all your stuff. Plus you have an overhead rack where you can fit more. Alright guys, like I said, this is a great beginner's couples coach. It's not too long, it's not too short. You still have a lot of room, you don't feel claustrophobic or anything, but it's also not too long to where you feel overwhelmed towing it. Great starting camper, still lots of amenities in here. So if you have any questions about this camper, we do have special pricing going on. Give us a call and we can let you know about what the special pricing is, and if you want to take a look at this beautiful camper.
Four Seasons RV, where the fun begins. KansasRV.com.
Abilene and Wichita.